CSP Group is a professional and trustworthy manufacturer that provides full range of water heating products and water heater production line solutions with over 30 years experience. We offer customized turnkey water heater production line solutions for our customers. Our headquarters is located in Jinan, and 6 production bases in the neighbor cities. We became one of the biggest solar vacuum tube supplier in the market since 2019. We can provide different sizes of solar vacuum tubes, diameters from 47 to 137 millimeters. Our annual production capacity is 10 million pieces. For solar water heaters, we can produce both pressurized and non-pressurized tubular solar water heaters, solar collectors, and flat-plate solar water heaters. Our annual production capacity is 200,000 sets of solar water heaters and 100,000 sets of solar collectors. Our unique anti-corrosion coating for welding can extend the useful life for water tanks for 3 years more on top of the standard 10 years lifespan. We can produce solar water heaters volumes from 80 to 500 liters. Our solar water heaters have been exported to over 40 countries, including India, Mexico, Brazil, United States, South Africa, Kenya and Syria. We can provide all kinds of accessories, such as silicon rings, racks, electric controllers, magnesium rods. Our customers can experience one-stop shopping for everything they need. Our target is to be the leading supplier of solar water heaters in the world. With the consistent technology development, our electric water heaters and heat pumps can upgrade your daily hot water experiences. Our 30 to 100 liters electric water heaters are crafted with a durable enamel-coated inner tank, with multiple safety protections and AI smart temperature controller, will bring you an energy-efficient hot water experience. The heat pumps are even more excellent for an eco-friendly living environment, can be used for households, hotels, offices, and can reduce at least 50% of your energy bill for hot water. Right now we can produce over 2 million sets of electric water heaters and 500,000 sets of heat pumps annually. Our latest PVT solar collectors are the ultimate solution that can bring the electricity and hot water to residential use all together. Over the past 30 years, we provided several automatic water heater production lines to the major water heater manufacturers in the world, helping them to increase production efficiency, improve product quality, and reduce production cost. We can provide fully automatic production lines for solar, electric, glass line, gas heater water tanks, including sandblasting and enamel coating line, CNC bending and punching line for flat-plate solar water heaters, laser cutting machines, and polyurethane foaming machines. Reference Oversea Project. Automatic electric water heater production line installed for Havells in 2016. Turnkey electric water heater production line installed in Uzbekistan in 2017. The first automatic glass line inner tank production line for Supreme Solar in 2018. Flat plate collector production line, enamel water tank production line installed in Europe in the last couple of years. Thank you.